Hello students, our today's topic is animals, which is composed by Walt Whitman. This is a chapter of class 10th. This is a poem. So let's move on. First of all, we'll discuss about the poet. Okay. So poet is Walt Whitman. He was born in 1819 and he died in 1892. So Walt Whitman is a major figure in early American poetry. He broke the tradition of rhymed and metrical poetry. He was famous for writing a revolutionary new kind of poetry which was in free verse. The poem Animals is from his work Song of Myself in Leaves of Grass. So I would like to point out here that the leaf of grass, you know that here is leaves of grass. So leaves of grass is the where is a name of the book in which there is a title Song of Myself. Okay, this is the collection of some poetry, and in this collection you will get the poem Animals. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the introduction of the lesson. Okay, so Walt Whitman has shown the comparison between human beings and animals in his poem. He has pointed out the evils present inside the human brain which he thinks animals don't have. That is why he thinks that animals are much better than human beings. So why the animals are much better than human beings? Because of the evilness of brain. What the human beings have, this make differ to the or you can say this makes a difference between animals and the human beings. Okay. Now let's move forward. So now the summary of the poem Animals. Let's see. In the poem Animals, the poet has described his will to become an animal. A poet is wishing that he want to be an animal because he thinks animals are far better than human beings. Because it is supposed by the poet that animals are far better than the human beings. Human beings are greedy and full of jealousy against each other, but animals are calm and self content. The animals are happy with what they have. They never complain about the miseries and sorrows. On the other hand, human beings complain about their miseries. They give more importance to the rich and strong people, stay restless because of their wrongdoings and run behind the luxurious things of this world. Whereas animals are honest about their relations and don't give importance to a particular class. They live a life which is full of honesty and less of greed and jealousy. So students, you can easily see here that here is a picture. You can see that animals are living together. They have no any sense of jealousy. They have no any sense of greed. They have no any sense of that somebody is very rich, and so I have to boast upon, boast to him. You can say that they are living together. They respect to another, and there is no any differences in their heart. But on the other hand, here in the human being, these two boys are the symbols. You can see that they are fighting, they are quarreling to each other. Why? Because of their ego, because they have no calmness inside. They are not self-content, they are egoist, they are greed, maybe reason of greediness, that suppose there is a ball and their same ball is liked by both of them, and both are just want to find out that ball. So this thing which makes a difference between the human being and the animals. So ultimately I would say that very wonderful poetry is composed by Walt Whitman. Here is a very good sense, a very good you can say moral, what he wants to say here or give us, that we must follow the animals because they are very and they are far better than human beings in many respects. So now students, here is the end of the video. I think that you have enjoyed my class. Okay. Okay, thank you.